You can record on Skype too, eh?
Yeah.
Cool.
So I'm recording now.
All right, cool.
So I'm sharing my screen as well.
So I'm seeing, yeah, resume database, active jobs. Yeah, that's the place where I'm used to the active jobs.
Yeah. So I just went to job. So I think the best thing is I just gave you access. So just check in your side, see if you can
Mm-hmm.
access the resume database.
Okay, let me see. Resume database, search
So
resumes. Yeah, I can see it.
it's that
Mm-hmm.
magnifying glass, then you press search resumes.
Right, right. I'm there. Resume database. Mm-hmm.
So now you're here.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can I think you should follow this. Active jobs, you can put that in, doesn't really matter as much.
Okay, cool.
But location definitely matters. So
Yeah,
what we want to
like
look for, I guess right now, since this is the hot job,
pictures.
I boosted the office manager one, and
Mm-hmm.
looks like we're trying to focus on that. So
Okay.
have location, Hackensack, New Jersey.
Mm-hmm. Why Hackensack?
That's where it is.
Okay.
I just put Bergen County on the job because it's a confidential search.
Okay, cool.
The
Okay.
person that they're replacing, they don't want to know that they're replacing them.
Got you. Got you. Got you.
It's confidential.
All right, cool, cool, cool.
So freshness, I usually go 30, 90 days. You can do 90.
Mm, it's 3 months.
Yep. Um, Education, I don't play with. Industry, I don't play with. Veteran stuff,
Mm-hmm.
I play with. Um,
Mm-hmm.
Job title, office manager.
Mm-hmm.
2,889 resumes. It's too many. So we
But
want
thi-
to.
but but this counts against your credits, right? The credits like that these 25 they say they give you a month or something like that.
Yeah, you can see here. It says 12 remaining views.
Oh, I see it. 25. Ah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah.
You can get
Mm-hmm.
more.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay, cool. Okay, but this is like you gotta be like laser focused if you're gonna be like using up resources and stuff. All right, cool, cool, cool.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I wanted you to use the invite and
Yeah, right. It's because
other
then it
one.
doesn't go against it.
Correct.
hmm So I'll still do that, but then I'll do this very sparingly. This section here.
Yeah, this I actually have to pay more to get more than
hmm
25. I only have 12. Um,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Left.
12 left, yeah.
hmm
And I think I spent a lot of them on the accounts receivable position,
hmm
which I didn't find any good ones. It's really hard.
Yeah, it's really hard. I'm telling you because all right, this is the thing, right? When I'm looking at the accounts receivable, there are not many candidates that surface in the in the pool, right? What happens is that I'm finding accounts payable, like what I was sending in my voice note. And I know that those are two very different things. Now that I've like kind of researched it and stuff, I realize no that they're two very different things
They are.
even though they sound very close. But
Yeah, yeah. Accounts receivable is more along the lines of collections,
exactly, exactly. And
so it's very different than accounts
so the
payable.
mindset, yeah, the mindset of the individual is totally different. So you can't like just get an accounts receivable guy and say, hey, accounts payable, let's just drop him in there, and he should.
Yeah, no,
Right.
accounts payable.
It's
It's
very different.
it's almost like for an accounts receivable person, you need someone that's like really aggressive, and it's going
Exactly.
to be like, we need you to pay
Yeah.
this bill or we're shutting your
Yeah.
services off.
Yeah.
Um,
Exactly.
and then the accounts payable person, you want someone very bright and very happy, and
Mm-hmm.
like, they almost the opposite
It's
because
cheerful. Exactly. They
cheerful.
have to be cheerful and blah because when people are calling for their stuff, you gotta be like, hey, okay, so Mr. Anderson said on Monday we should be good with that and blah blah blah.
Yeah, so it's really two different type of people.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Right. So,
So
but I did see a lady there though that I kind of liked, and I said, I wonder if that would make any sense. And then I sent you the picture. I'm not so sure if you could see it clearly, if you could blow it up
yeah,
and.
the site manager.
Yeah, yeah, for the medical place, the college, the
Yeah,
medical
I mean,
facility.
with the invite and the dismiss section,
Hmm.
um,
Yeah,
you can lean towards inviting.
yeah, exactly.
So if there's a site manager that looks good, you can
Hmm.
invite them
Okay, cool, cool, cool.
because it doesn't go
Yeah,
against the credits, and
exactly,
you can lean
exactly.
towards inviting more than
Right.
dismissing.
Very good, very good. All right, I'll do that. So I just hit on invite for her.
Yeah, hit on
She'll.
invite for her. Yeah, because I can always talk to them,
Right, right,
and
right.
we can see what the real situation is.
Exactly. You can sort of screen them out.
Yeah, I can always talk to them and call them, and I can talk to them things like that. But when we're doing the resume database, you got to be a little more specific.
Yep.
You wouldn't want to pick a site manager when you're doing the resume
Exactly.
database.
It has to be more specific, very specific. Yeah, I get you, man. I get you. It's
And
gonna count.
it's going to count. So another big thing that well, we'll just say this anyway. Another big thing that we can do is when you put your cursor over the profiles,
Mm-hmm.
it comes up with this little profile here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then they
Oh,
give you like a little profile of their background.
okay. 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 So
And
you
now
can
you
kind
can
of
see the
tell,
dates.
all right, you can tell kind of like how old you can guess.
Yeah, exactly. So, um, if you see someone that's in here that says like 1990, um,
Mm-hmm.
something like that, okay,
Yeah, yeah.
this person's older.
Yeah, man, definitely. Definitely. Definitely.
Um, you know, I would also say owner. You don't want to
Mhm.
hire someone that's like an owner like that.
Yeah, 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 for real.
Um, so she might not be the best fit.
Got you. Got you.
Um, Also, 2,889 resumes is too many to
You want to
search.
drill that down, right?
You want to drill that down. Um,
Mm.
so first way you drill it down, I don't think. Let's see if this does anything.
Mm-hmm.
2,824. It didn't really do much.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
how else can we drill it down? Maybe we can be radius 20.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All right, that brought it down 1,000. That's good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Um, Now we can do something like if we could put medical or law or dental or
Mm-hmm.
real estate or automotive or construction.
Somehow, I just feel you have to like click on the plus every time you do the or thing.
No, you don't have to do that.
Okay, cool. Oh, cool. Okay.
That didn't change it though. So
No. Wait first. Can you copy all of that medical? Just copy all of that. Yeah, yeah. Copy. Right. Space it in the skills or other blah, and then just do medical and then add that. Then just do it single and see if it makes a difference. Yeah, just paste. Yeah, and then just delete everything except
okay,
medical.
well,
You know what I
before
mean?
we do that, let's just try this out. Sometimes this works.
Oh, see.
Let's just see. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't.
Okay.
On LinkedIn, it usually works, but I don't know if it has the same capabilities on.
Yeah, on this site. Mm-hmm.
So, in quotes, sometimes that like only gets those words.
Yep. All right, so it's 1905, right?
Well, that worked.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
993.
Mm-hmm.
That seemed to work.
Okay.
So to some people, some employers, speaking another language would be a plus, like this, fluent in Spanish.
Mm-hmm.
But he told me that it's not something that's a plus to him,
Oh, okay.
the owner.
All right.
So medical, law, dental, real estate, automotive, construction. Um, this could be good. I mean, we brought it down from like 3,000 to like 1,000.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a good list.
Right.
Now let's see here. Charlene. Um, might be good.
Mm-hmm.
January
2002. Yeah.
2002.
Yep.
She's probably gonna be a little older.
Yeah, 40 or something like that.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Um, you also look at the skills.
Mm-hmm.
Computer literacy is good. Um, we're looking for some kind of bookkeeping.
Yeah.
She looks really focused on medical.
Mm-hmm.
Um, don't really think she'd be a good fit.
Yeah.
Michael, they use he probably has good experience, but we wanna find someone that's a woman.
Mm.
That
Oh, okay. They mostly are interested in
yeah,
a
all
woman for
women in
this
the
position.
office. They try.
Oh,
He
okay.
tried. He tried to hire a guy right now, but
Never worked out.
yeah, he thinks that well, the rest of the office is women,
Oh,
and
okay. Gotcha.
and you know, he's just concerned that there won't be as much communication.
Mm-hmm. Gotcha.
Looking for
That
the
would be the
team.
odd one out.
Yeah, looking for a team atmosphere, looking for them to all be like friends and stuff,
Mm-hmm.
and to have similar things to talk about.
Gotcha.
Um,
But that's the thing. I'd have to kind of get an idea for each of the each of the three positions, like just like how you kind of giving me a little backstory and
yeah, just
stuff.
do one at a time. Don't do that.
Mm-hmm.
Don't do one.
Mm-hmm.
That's too much for I think you to handle. I don't
Mm-hmm.
want you to be like too confused or writing down notes and trying
Got
to
you.
get everything done. Just
Gotcha.
won't get one at a time.
All right, cool.
This one isn't bad. 1990
Mm-hmm.
University
Yeah.
could be good.
Mm-hmm. Office manager
Customer
tax.
service, basically.
Disbursements is more like some accounting stuff, right?
Yeah, disbursements could be accounting stuff.
All right.
Um, General customer service. It's not too much bookkeeping in this background.
Mm-hmm.
Um, she looks like she'd be okay, but which not my first choice.
Mm-hmm.
This one might be better. Billing manager and office manager, bookkeeper.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 20 years experience.
Right, there we go.
That's good. Accounts payable, billing management, bookkeeping,
Hospital. Yeah.
hospitals, problem solving, payroll, invoicing, office administration.
Mm-hmm.
This
Yeah.
looks good. This looks
Yep.
good. This
Yep.
looks a
Yep.
good one.
Yep.
College of Staten Island, 1996,
Mm-hmm.
1997, 1999. A little older.
Mm-hmm.
This one could be a good one. All right, let's see how this one
Yeah.
looks. Who's this? Oh, forget it. I forget who it was. Um, Jennifer. I'm not sure where I just
Mhm.
clicked on. Was
You
it?
just hovered over. No, it was
I'm not really sure where I clicked on. Natalia?
Natalie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think
Was
it's
it
that.
Natalia?
I think so.
No, she doesn't
No.
have that year's experience. I don't know, man. I have bad memory.
Was was
Connor?
no, I
Uh,
don't think so.
Madeline? Was it Madeline?
Let's see.
Madeline? Yeah, Madeline. It was
Yeah.
Madeline. It was
Yeah.
Madeline.
hmm
Okay. So, where's Madeline? Here it is. Okay, Madeline. So we click on Madeline. Okay. Now we load the profile. Okay, St. Francis Hospital. Okay, all right. 12 remaining views. We're picking this one.
All right. Cool.
All right. This is how it looks. Now you clicked on it. Now you have 11 remaining views.
Got you.
You have Madeline's first and last name. You have her contact information. Um, and we have her full resume.
Okay. So how do you, what do you do with this now? Now that we've got it, it's not an invite to apply thing. Oh,
Yeah. So the thing is, the difference is now that you have gotten this.
mm-hmm.
Um,
You send her a message.
yeah. What I do is I have Riza follow up. So I do is download the resume and then I send it to Riza.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Then what
Okay.
Riza does is she gets all the information,
Mhm.
the email address, the phone number,
Right.
location,
She
her
follows up with
position,
her.
her position, and the company they're working for. Um, and she puts them into active campaigns, and they get
Oh.
sent uh, 3 messages over
Mhm.
5 different over like one in first day, second one the
Mhm.
third day, and the third one the fifth day.
Oh, okay. Got you.
So Riza, you just send out over to Riza, and then Riza puts her into the campaign.
Got you. Got you. All right. Cool. Cool. Sweet.
Um, but she is more about what they're looking for.
Yeah. Definitely.
So this is a good example of someone.
hmm
Um,
So what I do then is download that resume and then just forward it to you
yeah, just send me a Skype.
as an email or
You can
Skype.
send me a
Yeah.
Skype. Like
All
I'll
right.
do it now,
Nice.
just to kind of understand. So I go over
hmm
here. I go to downloads in my downloads file, and this is hers. Send it over.
hmm Yeah. Got you. All right. Cool. No problem. No
And then
problemo.
I can look at that.
hmm
And I can look at it, and I can call her at that
hmm
time, you know, um,
Yeah.
or I could just put her in an email campaign where she can click the link to schedule an appointment to speak to me.
Okay. Cool. 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 Got you. All
Uh,
right. Sounds good. This I can do.
so that's the training. Um, the only thing about this is that it's not the best starting location, Glendale, New York.
Oh, it's further away.
Yeah, we want to see someone in New Jersey,
Oh.
but um, you know,
Mhm.
it's still worth a download because she does have a good background.
True. True. True.
But is she going to be a good candidate? We don't know until we call
We
her
don't know yet. Yeah.
and ask her, how do you feel about the commute? I mean, you're going to have to be doing this every day.
hmm
So she might not feel too good about it. Or
Yeah, I got you.
she could say a million different things, Colin.
Yeah,
She could
that's
say the
true. That's true.
hospitals are shit right now with the COVID. I'm dying to
hmm
get out of here.
Yep.
I'll do anything. Just get me out of here.
Yeah. But at the same time, that still gives you an in with her, even if it's not for this particular campaign.
Correct.
You can find her something else somewhere and still collect off of it.
Yeah, I mean
Yeah.
the issue is I don't have I mean Glendale. The only other position I have is a property is more of an entry level position at the property management company,
Right.
or I have um Yeah, I mean the entry level position, but that's 40, 50K.
Mm-hmm. A
And
year.
she might not want that.
Mm-hmm. Get you. I get you.
Um,
Oh.
but that's kind of how it works. And then best practices is to go back, right? And best
Mhm.
practices is to actually
Market somehow.
click on new tab.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Because
yeah,
what
yeah.
will
That makes
happen is
sense.
because what happened is we're on page 1, right?
Exactly.
Out of
Yeah.
40. But let's say we're on page, let's say we go through all these things. Now we're on page 3. Okay, now we're on page 4. All right, still can't find someone. On page 5. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah.
now we are on page 5 and we see Leah, right?
Mm-hmm.
I go to Leah, I click her, and I say,
Mm-hmm.
oh, she's a good one, right?
Yeah. Right.
And she actually does look like a good one. But the point is that oh, she's a good one. Now I press back and refreshes. Okay, then where are we?
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. You're
Where
lost.
are we?
Get you.
Oh, we're on page
Yep.
1 again. We're on page 1.
Yo, got you. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah. So right click, open in a new tab. Yeah. Got it.
Mhm. Yes.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Fine. No
So
problem.
yeah, because that's the best practice is open a new tab because you might be searching, 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 and you might be on page 10 and you
Right.
find
Exactly.
someone and then you press back and then you're like,
Mm-hmm.
oh, I don't know where I was.
Exactly.
And I have
Lost.
to go through all those again. You don't remember who was there, So
Yeah. No,
that's
man. Makes sense.
yeah.
All right. Wait a second now. This particular video, you're gonna like upload it to YouTube or something, and then give
No,
me
what
a
I'm gonna
link.
do is I'm gonna press end call and
Mm-hmm.
it's automatically gonna send you through Skype.
Okay. Cool. Cool. All right. Nice.
All right?
All right. No problemo, man.
Okay.
All right. I'll just add this to the daily stuff that I'm doing because
Yeah.
honestly, the time is just not moving as fast as I'd like, obviously. So yeah, this probably will help.
Yeah, so this to help you, you'll make some more money,
Mm,
and you'll put some more hours in, and it should be good.
yeah, yeah. All right, nice. All right, thanks a ton, Dave.
All right, man. I'll talk to you later.
All right, cool, cool.
Bye.
Mhm.